Hello, today we will guide you through how to change language on Facebook business page. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the language for your Facebook experience using the tools built into Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're signed into your account and that you have access to the business page you want to manage. Begin by going to Facebook. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand navigation. There, find and select your business page. If you manage multiple pages, choose the one you want to work with for this change. Opening the page ensures the next options appear correctly. From your page view, open Meta Business Suite. You might see it labeled simply as Business Suite. This area brings together your page tools, inbox, insights, and settings in one place, which is where the language controls are found. At the top left of Business Suite, click the Profile or Business Selector dropdown. It usually shows your page name or business name with a small arrow. This menu gives you quick access to account level options. In that menu, click the small settings icon, typically a gear. This opens the settings hub for your business assets and account preferences. If you don't see it right away, look for a gear icon near your profile area. It's often compact and easy to miss. Now scroll down through the settings panel. Take your time here. Settings are grouped by category, and language is usually placed with general or account preferences. Keep scrolling until you see a section related to language. Click Language Settings when it appears. This will take you to the area where you can control how Facebook displays text across the interface for your account. Next, click Account Language. From here, select your preferred language from the list. Choose the one you want the Facebook interface to use and confirm if a prompt appears. After you select it, the interface may refresh and you'll notice menus, buttons, and labels update to your chosen language. This change affects what you see in Facebook and Business Suite, but it doesn't translate the content other people post. A few quick tips as you finish up. If the option doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to load or try widening your browser window so all menu items are visible. If you manage multiple pages, remember that this is an account level preference, so it applies wherever you use Facebook while signed in. And if you ever need to switch back, just repeat these steps and choose a different language. That's it. Your Facebook business page tools should now display in the language you selected.